The next equation that I'm going to solve is one that has parentheses. So this equation says 4 times x minus 1 equals 20. Before I start solving this equation, I want to make the left-hand side of the equation more simple so that it looks like the two-step equation that I just solved. To do that, I'm going to have to rewrite the equation. Rewrite it. And rewriting it, I'm going to rewrite it by distributing. So distributing means that I'm going to take this 4 and I'm going to multiply it with both of the terms inside of parentheses that I have. So when I do that, I have 4 times x, which is 4x, and then minus 4 times 1, which is 4. And that is still equal to 20. I've just rewritten how this side of the equation looks, but I haven't changed how it's balanced. Now I have a two-step equation that I know how to solve. So now I'll solve it. I'll look at the things going on in my equation that are happening to my variable, x. So it looks like x is being both multiplied by 4 and then subtracted with 4. So in order to solve the equation, I'm going to have to divide by 4 and add 4 at some point. I'll start by adding 4 to both sides of my equation and draw my line down from the equal sign so I know where my equation is balanced. So I'll add 4 over here on the left and add 4 over on the right. When I do that, minus 4 plus 4 cancels out to 0, just like I wanted. So I'm just left with 4x equals 24. Then, the next step in getting x alone is dividing both sides of the equation by 4. When I've done that, I'm left with 4x over 4, which is just 1x, equals 24 over 4, which is 6. I'm pretty sure that's the solution to my equation, but it's always a good idea to check to make sure I didn't make a mistake. So to check, again, I'm going to take my solution and plug it in for x in my equation and see if it makes sense. So I'm going to take 4 and multiply that by 6 minus 1, just like my equation says, and see if that equals 20. And that's how I will check. So when I'm checking, I do follow regular old order of operations. So I'll start inside my parentheses, 6 minus 1, that's 5. And that's being multiplied by 4. 4 times 5 is 20. So I did it right, and I know that x equals 6 is the solution to my equation. It's the one number that balances the equation out.